So I'm going to show you how to install WordPress plugin and theme. So if you want to install WordPress plugin and theme, log in into your WordPress account. Click on login. So this is a WordPress dashboard. So here we have the dashboard content. And if you want to install theme, you click on appearance, you click on theme. So these are default WordPress theme. Click on add theme. Here you can install theme from WordPress library. So you can choose any theme you like. And if you want to install from your system or PC, click on upload theme. Under this page, choose the theme file you want to upload. So I have this theme here, newspaper. Just click on the zip file and click on open. So click on install. So after that, you click on activate to activate your theme. So we have successfully installed newspaper theme. So if you go to appearance theme, you will see other options. If you click on themes, you can see we have this one as the active theme. So if you want to install plugins, go to plugins. So under this place, click on add plugin. So here you can select plugin from a WordPress library. So we have anyone you want to install. Just click on install. So after that, you click on activate to activate your plugin. If you want to upload plugin from your system, laptop or PC, just click on upload plugin. Click on choose the plugin you want to upload. Click on open. After that, click on install now. So wait for the plugin to install. So after that, make sure you click on activate to activate your plugin. If you click on plugins, so you are going to see the two plugins, and when you click on the themes, so you are going to see the theme we just added. So this is how to install WordPress theme and plugin. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.